Guys, look at that, man. Bees are buzzing everywhere. Look at that mess. They just swarmed to that hive. This hive was empty. I just put some old drone combs in there, and they just swarmed from this. From that hive, let me show you. From this hive. They swarmed from this hive, the old queen, and they went to this hive, which I left for it's like a bait. I just left them. They just swarmed to this hive. I'm very glad they didn't go anywhere far away. Sometimes they go on top of trees, so they have to go to. It's difficult to get them back, but this is very beneficial to always have a couple of hive with drone combs, old drone combs, black one. They like old combs, and this is very good. So this is this is very energetic, man. The weather is very energetic. I love it. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? I was downstairs and I heard a very weird sound, you know, a buzzing sound. And I looked at the sky, and what I was surprised. I just saw tons of bees flying around. I just came and I saw this is what happened. Just swarmed. They made a mess. Oh my God. I'm very glad they came back to this hive. Let's take a look at the entrance. Look at the entrance, man. Oh my God. Praise the Lord. Oh man. Isn't that beautiful? Just came back. So they are signaling to the others to their new hive. This is very energetic. The weather is very energetic. As you can see, they love this the drone comb, the old combs. Yep. And bees are everywhere. Maybe 2,000 or 3,000 bees flying around. I'm very glad they chosen this hive. They are very smart. They didn't go far away. Sometimes you just miss them and they just gone. I'm very glad. And this is very important to always have old hives with empty old hives with empty drone combs, old drone combs in it. All right. This is what I like. It's very the weather is very energetic, and those are the foreigner. They choosing this hive. Okay, let's get closer. Some of them on the ground, same on the entrance. All right, beautiful. Just love it. I have many hive around here and there with empty combs and old empty combs and drone combs, and the smell of the drone combs, the empty drone combs, the black one, this is what they like. This is what they love. They don't like brand new combs, brand new hive. They like empty, old combs. Okay, drone combs. This is a very energetic. The weather is very energetic. They produce some sort of frequency. I saw people with equipment. They produce electromagnetic field when they are swarming, and they are very friendly right now. They are very they don't sting you because they are in a swarm mood. Okay. They don't sting you. They don't attack you. They just want us space to put their hive, put their okay. All right. Some going through the back, some going through the entrance. This is the back. Let's take a look at the back. Look, they're coming through the back. Back entrance. Look at that. Dude, I just love this kind of energy. Very energetic. Oh my god. This is what happens. The swarming happens when the queens and the hive finds out there are too many broods and there's no space left. So they just, the queen and they decide to lay some queen cells, and the old queen just leave the hive. The old queen with a bunch of bees, with a lot of bees, which they are all gorged in honey. They just prepare before leaving the hive, so they eat a lot of honey before leaving the old hive. And with the old queen, usually the foreigner go to find a place before leaving, and then the old queen leaves the hive with a multiple queen cells in the old hive. They just swarm. Let's get closer. Let me get in here. Some on the floor. They are cuddling. They are fanning and they are buzzing and they are sending signal to the other bees to say, hey, this is our new hive. Come to your home. Come to your new home. They're very excited. They like it. And I just love it. I just love bees. They give me good energy, positive energy. And yeah, I'm so glad they came to this hive. So they are just birding. See that bird? Okay. Amazing, absolutely amazing. It was raining a couple of days before. So actually until last night it was raining, and they were preparing to swarm. They swarm. Okay, beautiful.